guide you to fix your Instagram filters not showing up. So let us fix Instagram filters not showing up. So if you click on this story and tap on create, here you can find all these filters. So if you can't find these filters, make sure you scroll this or refresh your Instagram and make sure your Wi-Fi connection is Wi-Fi or your cellular data connection is good, and check that. If you still can't fix your problem, go to Play Store or App Store, click for the search of Instagram. Here, if it shows update, make sure you update the app and it's not in full on up to date. And if you tap on update, it will be up to date. Then maybe you can find your filters. If it says open, then your app is absolutely up on date. So, still, if you can't find that, make sure you delete the app and reinstall the app. After that, it will solve your issue. This is how you can fix your Instagram filters. Thank you.